there are two ways to read a certain kanji: kunyomi and onyomi. Kunyomi refers to the Japanese way of reading any kanji, and then onyomi refers to the way of reading in Chinese, or Chinese way of reading. Kunyomi is a lot easier to remember because when you see a certain kanji, it has a meaning compared to onyomi. Okay, so today our first kanji is hito. Its kunyomi is hito, which means person, and its onyomi are jin and nin. The examples that I have for you for today is jinsei. Jin plus sei. This kanji sei refers to life. So jinsei in general means life. The other example that I have for you is ningen. Ningen. This one is nin, and then this one is the kanji for gen, which means human. This gen can also be read as ma, nakama no ma. This one is naka, and then this one is ma, which refers to a member or a fellow. Okay, so this is how we write shito. 1, 2. So this is shito. And our next kanji is this one. Its kunyomi is otoko, and its onyomi are nan and dan. When you see this kanji alone, it's otoko, which means male. What else? Boy. Okay, so kunyomi, otoko, male, boy. Okay, so the examples that I have for you are danshi. Danshi means male, and chonan, which means eldest son. As you can see, there are two kanji. The first kanji, this kanji is from nagai non, long no kanji. Nagai kanji plus otoko. When you combine them together, this nagai no kanji becomes cho. And then otoko no kanji becomes nan, chonan. Tatoeba, for example, my husband is the eldest son. So in Japanese, it's chonan. The eldest son is chonan. Watashi no dana-san wa chonan desu. Okay, so my husband is the eldest son. So this is how we write otoko. Otoko no kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there is chikara here. You know, males, they have power, so that's why in their kanji there is also chikara or power. Okay, so this is otoko. And the other kanji that I have for you, of course, we have otoko, and we also have onna. Onna means female or girl or lady. The onyomi are jo, nyo, and nyo. One more time. The kunyomi is onna, which means lady, girl, or female. And its onyomi are jo, nyo, and nyo. The examples that I have for you for this kanji are joshi, joshi, which means female. So male is danshi, and then female is joshi. The other one that I have for you is shoujo, shoujo, which means young lady. So this is how we write onna no kanji. 1, 2, and then 3. So this is onna no kanji. The next one for hito no kanji is this kanji. When you see this alone, its kunyomi is ko, which refers to something small or a child. For me, when I see this, a child. Okay, so its onyomi is su and shi. Su and shi are its kunyomi. So the examples that I have for you for this kanji are ko inu, ko inu. So let's check the kanji. So this one, ko plus inu. Ko refers to child or something small. So this one is like a small dog. So small dog refers to a puppy. Ko inu is puppy and in English. And then kodomo. Kodomo means child. Actually for domo there is a kanji for that, but since we are learning first grade level kanji, this way is okay. Kodomo. Okay, means child. This is how we write kodomo no kanji or ko no kanji. 1, 2, and then 3. So this is ko. The other kanji that we have for today, or our last kanji for today, is this kanji. It doesn't have any kunyomi, but it has an onyomi, which is o u, o u, o. And the examples that I have for you for that kanji, for this kanji, are o-sama. O-sama, which means king, and oji, which means prince. As you can remember, this kanji is ko, su, or shi, but sometimes the reading is ji. When you partner this ko to o, u, it becomes ji. So this one is oji again, which means prince. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. So see you soon. Goodbye.